This one question is the cheat sheet in brand positioning. Remember, break it down to the first principle. So much of why we buy a product or service is the feeling or emotion that comes from that purchase. We make decisions with emotion and then justify with logic. And your brand positioning is crucial. One of the best questions to better understand what is your brand positioning is think of your brand as what model of car is it? In building Culture Kings, when I first thought of this question, oh, we're like Lamborghini. And then I'm like, wait a minute, we're not a luxury price point. Yes, I love that and inspire to it, but it's the one underneath. Culture Kings, it's like a C63 AMG. It's an amazing, beautiful car. That is how we're positioned. But where are you as a brand? You could think, but Tesla Cybertruck, you're the new age. You've got all the innovation. You're totally disruptive. Or are you like the Silver Aston Martin? Silver Aston Martin is great because people still respect it and love it. So thinking of your brand in your market, of what model of car you are, can really help you define who you are and who you're not. Because one of the biggest mistakes in business is people try to sell to everyone. When you sell to everyone, you sell to no one. You have to pick a market and nail it. And for people to love your brand, some people have got to hate it. And when you're smaller, you should narrow and nail that specific and slowly expand rather than just try and be this lukewarm in the middle. Just coming back from the F1 on the weekend, brand of a car is so much part of our identity. Going between the Lamborghini booth and the Ferrari booth, now look, there are customers that cross over and have both, but they're pretty different archetypes customers, even though they're both in this luxury space. And this is why this question is like a cheat sheet in how to better understand your brand positioning.